Children are living jewels dropped from heaven. They are the most beautiful creation of God. A very good morning to Honorable Founder President Sir, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, Academic in Charge Ma'am, teachers and all the dear students. On behalf of Amity International School, I, Madhu Yadav, wish you a very happy Children's Day. No doubt that this is the day children wait for a year. So to start with, I request Bhavna ma'am to give a brief introduction of this auspicious day.
To me, there is no picture so beautiful as a smiling, bright-eyed happy children, no music so sweet as their clear and ringing laughter. A very good morning to Honorable Founder President Sir, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, respected Academic in Charge Ma'am, my dear colleagues and my dear loving students. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. Children's Day is an annual event celebrated on November 14 to mark the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fondly known as Chacha Nehru, he was quite popular among children and shared a special bond with them. After his death, in 1964, a resolution was passed in the Indian Parliament to celebrate his birthday, 14th November, as Children's Day. And in honor of Pandit Nehru, we take this day to celebrate and appreciate the young gems of our country. A Children's Day is not all about giving gifts to kids and organizing events for them. It is a day to realize their importance in nation building and providing them the opportunity to open their wings and fly high to achieve their goals. Once, Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So, this Children's Day, let's take a pledge to ensure that every child, not only in this country, but in the whole world, enjoys equal rights, safety, and quality education. The most precious thing in this world is a fearless smile on the face of a child. Let's make this world a safe and enjoyable place for our kids. Dear children, each one of you is a miracle making this world a beautiful place for us. We hope that you remain the same cheerful, inquisitive and kind souls throughout your lives. Thank you, and I wish you again a very happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Now, we have a lovely message for our lovely students.
My dear children, today is Children's Day. For me, it is also a day dedicated to love. I believe every child, every one of you brings more love in the world. In your shining faces, I can see hope. I can see brighter tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, I can see promise, what you will achieve. So make us proud and your parents, your school and nation proud. My heartfelt love to all of you. Happy Children's Day.
My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you all. When I see you, my heart swells with pride, love and joy. My dream is to see your dreams come true. So enjoy your childhood days and make your good memories. Have a happy Children's Day.
Dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. And for me, it is also a day of love. For you children, all of you, bring love to this whole world.
My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. You know children, the success of a teacher depends on the hard work of the student, and I have truly blessed with wonderful students in my life. I feel blessed to have a blessing like you by my side. I love you very much. To my dear student, I wish that you never give up in life, for you are a fighter and a winner in life. Wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
To my Amity students and especially my monkeys of class 2, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. There will come a time in your life where you all will grow up to be the best versions of yourself. So make memories, make best friends and cherish the school life forever. Because trust me, it will not come again. So once again, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Keep that childlike quality and be always happy.
Happy Children's Day, my dear kids. Believe in yourself and follow your dreams. And remember, you are loved today and forever. Dear kids, childhood is a happy place to be in. So enjoy your childhood days and make good memories. You will cherish them when you grow up. Once again, have a happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day all of you. Thank you.
Good morning to all my lovely students. The sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. Without you, we are like the world without sun, moon and stars. I just want to tell you one thing, that all the teachers, all your lovely teachers, they want to learn something from you. That what is that thing? That is laugh. How to laugh with all our hearts. So we all want to learn that thing from you. So never stop giggling, dancing and playing. This is the most precious time of your whole life. Enjoy that. So splash some fun because it's a Children's Day.
Every child, like a miracle, have their own way to make the world a beautiful place for us. The earth reveals its innocence through the smile of children. Children are like stars. They shine, they show their talent and make a world a beautiful place for us.
What is the world without moons and stars? And what is the world without you? The world will not be good without you people. I, Neha Agarwal, would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a very happy Diwali. This is a double celebration. Enjoy your day.
नमो नमः. सर्वान् छात्रान् बालदिवसस्य शुभेच्छा. त्वं देशस्य भविष्यसि, त्वं देशस्य आधारशिला असि. अतः देशस्य प्रगते स्वप्रगते कार्यं कुरु. सत्यमेव उक्तम्. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः. न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. धन्यवाद.
मेरे सभी प्यारे विद्यार्थियों और प्यारे बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बच्चों, हर दिन आपका अपना दिन होता है। आप हमारे समाज की मजबूत नींव का पत्थर हो, हमारा आने वाला कल हो, हमारा आईना और हमारे जीवन नैया की पतवार आप ही हो। आप सभी एक ऊर्जावान और दृढ़ आत्मविश्वास के साथ अपने जीवन लक्ष्यों को, अपने सपनों को ऊंची उड़ान देते हुए आसमान से समुद्र तक भरपूर जिए, हमेशा खुश रहें। अपनी मुट्ठी में बंद सपनों को उनका वजूद, उनका आकार दे। मेरे सभी अमेठी के प्यारे विद्यार्थियों को मैं बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ।
A child can always teach an adult 3 things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his might that which he desires. Happy Children's Day, my dearest students. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So my dear students, enjoy today and again, Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Every child is special in a special way. So are you. You are the reason for the smile and happiness in our life. From child in me to child in you, happy Children's Day.
To make this day memorable, we will have a soothing music performance by Piyush sir and Shrikant sir. Thank you, sir. It was really an incredible performance which has captivated energy in all of us. So, keeping the rhythm on, we have our wonderful teachers with greetings for their wonderful students. I am sure teachers saying must have touched your hearts. Dear students, now it's time to enjoy an animated video.
Ma'am, will you please tell us about Nehru Chacha?
What? Your Chacha?
He was not only Chacha for me, but also for each and every child of our country. What Nandini is saying is correct. He is very fond of children.
Ma'am, he was born on November 14th, 1889.
Hey, that's the day we celebrate as Children's Day. We also get a holiday.
See, we are celebrating his birthday as Children's Day. Let me show you some of the important pictures of these leaders. He was born in a very rich family. Born with a silver spoon, he was raised like a prince. He was very intelligent. Once, when he was a boy, he was playing with his friends. The ball fell into a small pit. Everyone tried to take it out, but the ball did not come out. Nehru went inside and bought water and poured it in the pit. Slowly, the ball came up. Everyone jumped with joy. Nehru and Gandhi had a very good and close relationship. Both of them together fought for our freedom. For this, they had been put behind bars many times. From the prison, Nehru wrote many letters to his daughter Indira Gandhi. All those letters had been published as a book called Discovery of India. He was the first Prime Minister of the freed India. He passed away in 1964.
Now, moving towards the end of the program, I take privilege to request respected Principal Ma'am to say few words.
My dear students, today is your day. Be happy and live it to the fullest. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Believe me, children, without you, school is merely a building. Your absence is felt in every nook and corner of this school. But your safety is first. I would like to request you all to maintain social distancing and take all the precautions and stay safe. I would also like to wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Dear children, do not bust lot of crackers and contribute to the pollution. Please be safe and be happy. May Goddess Lakshmi bestow a lot of prosperity on you and your family. Wishing you all once again a very happy and safe Deepavali. Stay blessed, stay happy.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing valuable words. At the end of the program, I request everyone to stand for National Anthem.
Janagana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे